Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Java video. Today we're going to be installing IntelliJ. So click on the link in the description and you should end up on this page. You can go ahead and download the community edition of IntelliJ. And when you do, you should end up with this executable. Once you click on that, you should see this. Just wait for it to verify. And then you can click on Next and pick whichever directory you want to install IntelliJ in. I'd recommend putting it in your SSD because IDEs can be slow on HDDs. So click Next once you're done. I'd recommend not adding the launchers directly to the path variable right now because that will require to restart. You can add that later if you want to be able to run IntelliJ from the command line. And then I'd recommend adding the .java association too. So you can just click on your .java files and open them up in IntelliJ. Go ahead and click Install when you've named the Start menu folder. And make sure you've got Run ticked and click Finish once it's done. No need to import settings, just click OK. Pick your theme and then click on Next Default Plugins. You can just keep these on. You might end up using them and they won't take up too much space. Of these, I'd recommend definitely getting Key Promoter X, as that will get you used to the shortcuts, which will speed things up for you quite a bit as you're developing. The IDE Features Trainer can be handy, File Watchers, and EduTools if you want to do some of your own training too. And then click on Start Using IntelliJ IDEA. Now, you'll have this window. Once you've clicked on that, just click on New Project. And when you do that, you should end up with this exact window. So now you'll probably start in Java, so you want to go down here to Maven. Make sure the project SDK is 11, assuming that's the OpenJDK version that you downloaded. Click on Next. Just name this whatever you'd like. So I'll call this Tutorial 1. And then click on Finish. And it won't ask you this because you won't have anything open, but I'm just going to say this window. Now you're completely done and you're able to open up IntelliJ. You've installed IntelliJ, you're able to open it and start a new project. Now I would recommend adding these few lines, which are in the description, to the first file which comes up, which should be the pom.xml, which is the project object model. It's just something that defines things like your dependencies, like what your project needs, and the like, and metadata. So if you add this, Maven will know to use Java version 11, the JDK 11 that we've just downloaded in the previous video. Otherwise, I think it uses version 5 for some reason. It defaults to that, and that just won't work. You won't be able to build or run your project. So once you've done that, you can just click on this, which is Control-Shift-O, which will reload your project basically based on this new POM. It will make sure that this new POM has been applied. And now everything should work perfectly. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed. And next time we'll be going on building our first program and going into the theory of Java just a little bit. But thank you very much. See you next time.